Servus, Seppe Smits here from Belgium.
Seppe de Buck here.
Hey, I'm Stolly Sandbeck.
How's it going? Judd Henkes here. We're up at Hintertuxer Gletscher at the hot zone opening. Good up here to see everybody again, and so everyone's having a good time.
Park is amazing this year. They really killed it.
Park's pretty damn fun. You better get out here.
Look at this. Look at the view. Look at everything. Let's have some fun. You. For drink session by Saint Snowboarding is going down right now. Hell yeah, let's go!
Honestly, I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is he my friend or my foe? I'm off the exit, bro. Yeah, she give me that claim as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, still I'm about to Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 flags. Ballin' like dick facts, told her I love her.
Ein bisschen schneller fahren, dann geht's auch.